this is Jrod. This is Jrod's Garage YouTube channel, where you never know quite what we're going to get into, from racing these 90s cars to building them and the occasional street outlaw content. And most importantly, we like to have fun with our friends and family, so be sure to click and follow along. So we're out here at Wednesday Night Lights, the events we've been putting on. This is our second one here at Thunder Valley. Wednesday night, you come out once a month. You come out, hang out, see some cars, roll race, dig race, and I'm about to give for a ride in this bad mother here. So I can't wait. I've never actually been in a modified 18-wheeler, and this thing is pretty gangster. So he's nice enough, he's gonna give me a ride and see how many times he can shift before we get to the end of the track. So tell me this setup. I don't know anything about these things.
Oh man, 1992 Peterbilt 379, got a cat, 13 speed.
878,000 miles.
No, 1,878,000. Pretty new, you know, low mileage.
You got the custom Earth shifter here.
Got the custom Earth shifter, got the old bench seat.
How many times are you gonna shift it?
We don't know yet. We'll find that out here in just a minute.
More than 4?
Probably.
So Oklahoma way, we both have flip-flops and shorts and...
No, these are SFI.
They are.
The shorts are fire shorts.
The seatbelts are too.
Yep.
Explain to me what all these billet switches do. Oh, those are lights?
Lights.
You gonna light it up this pass?
Oh, we can. Jake brake, fan, air ride, all that stuff. Got doors, windows. Pretty much it's one of those deals. If you built it, you know which one goes.
Correct. And then how many speeds is the transmission?
This is a 13.
13 speed. I don't think we shifted 13, but I think we probably got 7 or 8 last time.
I don't remember.
So to get the story straight, nobody called anybody out. I was the instigator. I wanted to see this race. So they both went 18s. So no VTEC. This is a non-VTEC model. No turbo, no Motec exhaust, no T66 turbos.
No.
Are you gonna scream no Monica? No Monica!
I got the slower motor.
You got the slower, that thing's like, got 2 million miles.
I got the
on it.
lightweight vehicle.
How much does that truck weigh?
20,000, 19.6, somewhere around
This
there.
weighs 2,500, 2,600 pounds?
I think something like that.
So a little bit of weight, but he also makes a little more power. You're gonna shift probably 4 times. He's gonna shift 44 times.
I think I got 3.
It's gonna be fun.
Easy on me, all right? And we're doing this for a lot of money, right? We're doing it for like $1 or something, right?
A signed dollar bill.
A signed dollar bill.
Texas 2K style. But it's gonna be fun. You guys have any lane preference?
I gotta go down the 187 custom.
Okay. Well, he's gonna get left lane. You'll have
Unless you want
right.
Rochambeau for it. All right.
It's gonna be good. Well, awesome. We'll see what happens.
Okay. Oh, dude, he double bowled me already?
Yeah, good job. I got $1 on the feature. Take $17. We'll get it down the race minute.
impact on the first side. 1720, but we let out of it. It went 76.
Holy shit. The Integra goes 1849 at 74. He goes 17.2 at 76, which is a second and a half quicker, and he let off. But the 60 foot was 2.6. The reaction time was 7:23 to the Integra's 8:58. So I think if you don't let off, I think he's got a 16 in it. That's pretty gangster.
I think we tried.
That's pretty gangster. Now we got to find a 16 second car.
Oh, man.
Well, you put it on the Integra. Now we're racing I think it's like I know the guy. I don't know how modified it is. He's my lawnmower man. He works on all my equipment.
Oh, that's nice.
I think it runs like 16s, so it should be a pretty good race. Oh, he's even late. Oh, no, he went in. Oh, there we go.